Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the hymn, Great is Thy Faithfulness. A very beautiful hymn, so easy to learn. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart for this song. Print that out and follow along as I teach this song to you. So let's get started. Okay, the chords used to play this song, it'll be in the key of D major. Okay, so it'll be D major, E minor, A7, and E7, A major, and B minor. And I'm just playing the simplified version of B minor. Okay, to look at how to play these chords briefly, to play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D major, okay? And to play E minor, you place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 directly below that on string number 4 on the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. This is E minor. Okay, to play A7, you use these same 2 fingers, place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, skip a string and place your ring finger, finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, strum all strings but the top E string. Strum all these strings below. That is A7. Okay, and then to play E7, it's like the E major shape, but you just simply lift off your 3rd finger and you strum all strings. So you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. This is E7. E7. Okay, to play A major, I use the bar chord. You want to press down on strings 2, 3, and 4, all on the 2nd fret, and leave this bottom E string open, and don't strum the top E string. Then lastly, you want to play B minor. You can play the bar chord, but I just simply use a simplified version. You just place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, and then your small finger, little finger number 4 on the 3rd string of the 4th fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. It's a simplified version of B minor. Okay, and that'll be all the chords used to play this song. The strumming pattern for this song, it's in 3/4 time, so that's 3 beats per measure. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. So I'm just simply using down up strokes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so again, if we look at the chord progression, okay, great is thy faithfulness, O God my Father, there is no shadow of turning with thee. Okay, let's do that, those 2 lines over again, okay? Okay, ready? Great is thy E minor, A7, D major, there is no shadow, E7, back to A major, okay? Now if we just continue on, you will switch to A7. Thou changest not, thy compassion, they fail not. As thou hast been, thou forever will be. Okay, let's look at those last two lines again. Starting with A7. Thou changest not, thy compassion, they fail not. As thou hast been, thy forever will be. So I'm playing forever. So A major to A7 on ever syllables there. Ever wilt be. Okay, so let's play that through one more time. Great is thy faithfulness, O God my Father. There is no shadow of turning with thee. Thou changest not, thy compassion, they fail not. As thou hast been, thy forever wilt be. Okay? Okay, let's look at the chord progression now on the chorus. Starting off with A major. Great is thy faithfulness, then to B minor. Great is thy faithfulness, morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, let's play through that just one time. It's a little bit high for me, as you can tell. I apologize for that. So let's just play through the chords on the chorus again, okay? Great, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mercies I, A major, A7. All I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Some people stop there. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, this song has 2 other verses as well. A very beautiful chorus. It's really more pretty if you can play that in a slower rhythm and let it be more worshipful to you as well. If you like this video, would like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button. Appreciate that very much. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. There's no obligation, just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So thank you for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.